Hey folks, welcome to the Money Code Breakers Sunday Roundup. I'm your buddy, the Money Maverick, chatting straight from the finance front lines. You know that feeling when the market's like a bad blind date, promising at first, then total disaster? That's this week. Fed speakers sending mixed signals, Bitcoin bleeding out, and Congress waving a wand over deficits. We're gonna unpack the news, spot those sneaky large moves, and preview the holiday-shortened week ahead. Hang with me, cause if you dip out now, you might miss the next big twist. Let's crack this code together. All right, let's kick it off with Congress Corner. What's cooking on the Hill? You know, after that 43-day government shutdown finally wrapped up, lawmakers snuck in a slick move with the funding bill. According to reports from Just the News, they erased a whopping $3.4 trillion in deficits by tweaking accounting rules. Talk about fiscal magic. If this sticks, it could ease pressure on Treasury yields, boosting sectors like bonds and real estate. But here's the quantitative data to back it. The move effectively slashes projected shortfalls by about 10% of GDP over the next decade, per budget analysts. Absurd analogy? It's like your credit card bill vanishing because you renamed it Fun Money Hilarious, but could pump markets if it holds. What do you think, Codebreakers? Game changer or smoke and mirrors? Moving on to our unusual large move spotlight, man, the whales were splashing big time. From X chatter, we're seeing massive liquidity talks, like a potential multi-trillion-dollar injection whispered in private calls. For instance, one post highlighted hedge funds like Citadel facing lawsuits over alleged naked shorting, with execs quitting and properties selling. Smells like stress? Compare it to last week's Nvidia frenzy, where shares swung wild post-earnings, pumping 15% before fading. According to a deep dive on X, credit default swaps on Oracle surged, signaling bets on tech volatility. Quantitative data here. Bitcoin ETFs saw a record $3.79 billion outflows in November alone, per reports. That's hedging on steroids. Absurd twist. It's like spotting a shark in your kiddie pool, unexpected and loaded with risk. If you're in crypto or tech, diversify to hedge these swings, you hear? Boom. Now let's recap the week's market mayhem. Phew, what a ride. The S&P 500 dipped 1.9% amid volatility, with the Dow rallying back on rate cut hopes. Inflation? According to the latest Michigan survey, expectations eased to 4.5%, sending bonds on a joyride, yields down, stocks up in spots. But crypto? Bitcoin dipped below $84,000 on regulatory whispers and outflows, down 4.14% Friday. And don't sleep on global events. Japan's eyeing a $110 billion plus stimulus. China's pumping trillions. Real talk. This sets up a volatile Monday if Fed hints shift. Quantitative data to support. PMI hit 55.0 for services and 51.9 for manufacturing, showing economies firm but complicating cuts. Funny analogy. It's like the market's a soap opera. Twists with Fed splits, turns with crypto crashes, and everyone yelling buy low, sell high, while tripping over rate bets. Looking ahead, your crystal ball segment. Thanksgiving shortens the week, but earnings hit with Dell, HP, and Alibaba reporting. Watch for AI revenue beats amid tech jitters. Congress might debate member stock trading bans in a hearing, potentially shaking finance stocks. And unusual moves? Keep eyes on energy options amid oil dips to $57.73. Pro tip, build that watch list now to spot alpha, especially with GDP, PCE, and delayed CPI dropping. According to Trading Economics Calendar, flash PMIs for US and Eurozone could sway sentiment. It's like prepping for a boss fight in a video game. Gear up or get owned. That's the wrap on this week's Finance Frenzy, Codebreakers. We've chatted through the Fed drama, Congress tricks, and market madness. Hope it levels up your game. If you dug this combo-style scoop, smash that like, subscribe for more Sunday roundups, and ring the bell. Don't let the market catch you sleeping. Drop your thoughts. What's your bold prediction for the week? Check the description for links, and remember, in finance, knowledge is your superpower. Stay classy, stay wealthy, see you next Sunday. Oh, and here's the surprise twist. If those liquidity injections hit as whispered, We could see a massive rebound, multi-trillion-dollar pump incoming? Mind blown.